Connecting Claude AI to CData to NetCloud is easy. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect to NetCloud's Remote MCP server so that Claude can start accessing your connected data. First, log into Claude and head to the User and then Settings in the bottom left. Click on Connectors, and then add a custom connector. Copy and paste the MCP server URL provided in your NetCloud account. Then, give the connector a name. Click Add, and then Connect, where you'll be directed to log into your NetCloud account. Once you're successfully connected, you should see Connected next to your new CData connector. Now, open any new Claude chat, go to Search and Tools, and make sure that CData to NetCloud is enabled. And that's it. Now you can prompt Claude to ask and find data from all of your connected data sources in CData to NetCloud, and allow Claude to use, analyze, view, and even edit data that's available through CData to NetCloud. Your first time using different tools in the NetCloud Remote MCP server, you'll have to grant permissions and allow always for Claude to use the tools when it needs. Using NetCloud, Claude is able to find the data source, create a query, get the data it needs, analyze the data, and deliver a specific tailored answer for you in just a matter of minutes. Here, I asked for all of my Salesforce opportunities created in the past month, and with the connected data, Claude is now able to search and present data from my own Salesforce through CData to NetCloud.